Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video what we're gonna see is iMovie tutorial part 2. So in last course we saw what is libraries, events, audios, titles, backgrounds and transitions. So in this course what we're gonna see is what are more events in more detailed way. Okay, last course I was not able to tell you detailed way, and in this course I'll show you. Let's get to. So as you know, always for creating a new library, you gotta go to files and then open library, new, and then name it. I'll name it as iMovie library 1 as it is. So you can import your media anything from take the screen recording and import it inside that event. Yeah. Now as you've seen, only if you import it at this event, it gets imported into the library. So always don't import it from the iMovie library, go to the events and then import it. And if you want to import more media, right, you see there is this kind of a downward button here. I'll mark it for you guys. Here you click that and then you can import more. Okay, I'll take this video. Sorry, I don't have any other video, that's it. Okay, so now I delete all these, and as you know, this is the timeline. Let's drag it. Why is even, why you may be thinking, why do you need events, man? You can just do it initially a library. Yeah, you can do it, but events just more categorize. Okay, it separates it. It segregates it and makes it more cleaner for you. That's all. That's why I'm telling. And then you can rename also. You can rename it. Yeah, even you can also create your own new event. Another one. Let's name this desert. Okay, and then from here I import that desert eagle video. So it gets imported right here. We have two. You can also delete it, and if you want, you can also delete this library. Don't worry guys, as I've told you, it will be saved. It's saved and safe. You can delete it here, delete, and as you see, it's still here. Don't worry, okay? And you can also delete this. You can give right click, and then I don't think this can't delete this. Okay, let's see that later. Now I drag it here, I drag this one here, and as you know, the last course it was pretty laggy, so I'm gonna show you once more. I'm taking this. Okay, so yeah, and I also want to show you about audio. So you see this blue here down. Okay, you see this blue. So that blue, you can drag it down where there's no sound, and then you can apply any music or your audio. You can record your audio here. Now watch this. So hello guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to see this desert eagle challenge. So as guys, you've seen this, it gets recording, right? Now you see this part, it shows that your voice level. Now watch. Hello. You see, it goes to red. Now I stop the recording, and then that recording comes in my media. See, my media is here. See, now I can drag that audio and place it over here. So it's already placed here. Let's watch it. Voice, see, Now you don't want this audio, you just give the command delete and item in use. Now what is this item in use? Why is it not deleting? Okay, you may have tried a lot of times. That is because you have the audio here in your timeline. First you gotta delete that and then delete it here. See, now here I'll show you again. See, it's not delete. It's because its item is in use. You are using it right here. So you gotta delete that. Come on, man. And delete it. So you don't need this means you can import your media here, and then drag that one inside this, and it comes here. And take this. iMovie is a lot, man. Can't imagine about iMovie. And let's see, what's the spotlight? Spotlight is nothing but it spotlights your video a little more. You can match color, white balance, everything. Now let's see split screen and cutaway. Now I want these two videos to go at the same time. So you drag this and that at the top. Both should be at the same starting point, okay? Now watch. You see here this cutaway. Click that, picture in picture. So now if you're doing like a face video, right? You're showing your face. You drag it here. You can maximize it, minimize it. It's your wish, okay? And then just play it like that. See? It goes. Now I want, you see this. Now you don't like this means you see this, that one picture video overlay. Click on that, change it to split screen, left, right, top, bottom. Okay, for now I'll keep it at left, right, and green and blue screen. What is this green and blue screen? We'll see later on the course. I'll see for guys. So cutaway and green and blue screen, and then I can bring it back up. So guys, remember, when you're doing cutaway, split screen, both should be same at the same time. Okay, both should start like that. Okay, don't forget that. Now I don't want that. I delete it, and let's see what's this color. I'm changing its color to the olden day style. And this is too bright. I mean too colory. And this is its original color. We'll keep it like that. And then see, make it to blue, to black, and the middle is the original. And then this is cropping, okay? Fit, crop to fit. So crop to fit, always keep it at Ken Burns. Who is okay? Now we stabilize shaky video. Shaky video, we'll see it later on the course, guys. And then auto sound, I can lower my sound. I can reduce background noise. We'll see crop. We'll see stabilize shaky video, voice cropping, all the others in the rest of the course. And yeah, even you can import it from the photos, and for particular time you can make the photo play or bring it down here. Delete this and make this come, this one come. So guys, and I want to tell you, don't forget, when you want to put both videos at the same time, right here you see like this, and the video gets over, just use it. Just use this cross dissolve. You see all these great YouTubers, when they stop their video, they use this only, cross dissolve, cross blur. And then don't forget, when cutting your video, just select on the clip and then click R. See, starting of the clip, R, and then drag Okay, you can also create R. You can create like 6 minutes, 5 minutes. Just click R, R, oh man, and then drag it. You have to click the R fully and then just give delete. It deletes. That's it. So that's it for the scores. I think you'll maybe understand. If you don't understand, please comment down below. I'll give a quick recap for you guys. So thank you. Bye bye. Love you.